Okay.
Right, so we're here at the bottom of the Cambrian. This is the time just after the Ediacara fauna that we've seen before. And what's happened here is this great biological innovation, which was not present before, of being able to burrow into sediments. And what that's done is it's taken what were sediments that were beautifully flat-lying and beautiful layers, and has totally disrupted them. And it's the onset of that process, which geologists refer to as bioturbation, which really marks the beginning of the period of time that we call the Cambrian, and the beginning of life, animal life, very much like what we see today, which is able to dig down into rocks and take advantage of the food, dig down into sediments, take advantage of the food that is beneath the very surface-most layer of the seafloor and of other environments where life lives. And what you can see here, if you compare the way these layers look to the types of layering that we saw where we found the Ediacara fossils, you can see that these beds are not nearly as nicely layered. They're kind of disrupted and broken up. And if you look very closely, you can see sort of straight vertical lines that cut across the bedding. And those are traces of worm burrows, of organisms, the result of organisms that burrow down into these sediments in search of food. And it was that action that broke up these layers and turned them into this sort of somewhat muddier looking stuff that we see here.